Now it's time to practice the expanded form of decimals. Just like the standard form and the word form, the expanded form of decimals is very similar to the expanded form of our traditional numbers. So let's say we have the decimal 7 and 34 hundredths. Remember, that's how we say that. I'm going to go ahead and review and write that. 7 and 34 hundredths. That's how we're writing it in word form. Now let's write it in expanded form. We know that we start by saying 7 times 1 because the 7 is in the ones place. But let's go ahead and add 3 times 1/10 because the 3 is in the tenths place. When we're writing expanded form for decimals, we use fractions. That seems a little weird, but that's what we're going to do. Let's go ahead and add our 4 times 1/100th because that's how you write 1/100th, 1 over 100. Let's go ahead and do another one. Let's say I have 86 and 432 thousandths. Remember, we say that by saying 432 thousandths because the 2 is in the thousandths place. You know how to start 8 times 10 because the 8 is in the tens place, plus 6 times 1 because the 6 is in the ones place. Now let's start moving into the decimals. We're going to say 4 times 1/10 because the 4 is in the tenths place, plus 3 times 100th because the 3 is in the 100ths place, plus 2 times 1,000th because the 2 is in the 1,000ths place. Go ahead and make sure you understand this, and you're going to do some matching ones to cement your understanding before we get back together and do some problems in the book to make sure you understand before we get to meet with me on Google Meet.